Hello everyone, my name is Eva and I'm a script and copywriter at Kashu. In this video, we'll learn what makes a video script effective and how you too can write scripts for the different stages of your marketing funnel. Let's get started. The marketing funnel describes the customer journey that converts people from leads to clients. When the main content that guides people from one step to the next is video, we're talking about a video marketing funnel. This means that the video scripts you write to promote your business need to transform your viewer from someone who's unaware of your brand to a loyal customer. Some people try to do all this in just one video and end up wondering why it doesn't work. The truth is that the more focused your video script is on a specific stage of the marketing funnel, the bigger the chances that it hits the mark. Before you start writing your script, you need to ask yourself a few important questions. Number one, who is your target viewer? Imagine the people that you want to watch your video, their age, occupation, interests. The more detailed your customer profile is, the better you'll be able to find the right tone and language for your video. Number two, what is the problem you'll be solving? Every video's purpose is to solve a particular problem for your audience. This solution will be the reason they click on it and watch till the end. Make sure you concentrate on just one or two problems, otherwise your video will lose its focus and your viewers will lose their interest. Number three, where in the marketing funnel is your video? Is the video intended for people who've never heard about your brand or for people who are ready to buy right now? Answering this question will help you set your expectations for the outcome of the video, define your specific goals, and a call to action. So let's see how to write a video script for each stage of your marketing funnel. Top of the funnel, awareness. The step that kicks off the customer's journey is awareness. You need to introduce your brand to the audience. You've probably heard the saying, you only get one chance to make a first impression. This is especially true when it comes to brand awareness. The tricky thing about writing a video script for awareness is that you have to present your value and stand out from the competition without selling. Instead, focus on educating your viewers on something within your area of expertise. Pinpoint a specific problem that your target audience has and write your script around it. Make sure you present an in-depth and compassionate understanding of the problem and valuable information about how it could be solved. But steer clear of turning your script into a sales pitch at all costs. If you do, your viewers will feel misled, which will make them lose trust in your brand. Awareness videos are usually longer than videos in other stages, but make sure you don't go over 90 seconds. If you want to know how to calculate the length of your script, check out our video linked below. Every explainer video or ad script ends in a call to action, a short sentence that tells the audience what to do next. Awareness videos need to take your viewers to the subsequent evaluation stage of the funnel, so the call to action can direct them to your website or ask them to follow you on social media or subscribe to your newsletter. Middle of the funnel, evaluation. Evaluation or consideration is the next step of your marketing funnel. Your audience already has a basic idea of who you are and what is it you do. But why should they choose your brand out of all others out there? Are you the best fit for them? These are the questions that your video script needs to answer here. Every relationship is built on trust, and that includes your relationship with the viewer. By the words of a salesman and motivational speaker, Zig Ziglar, if people like you, they'll listen to you, but if people trust you, they'll do business with you. And in today's business world, where consumers have so many brands to choose from, this quote rings exceptionally true. For this stage of the marketing funnel, your video script needs to sound authentic and customer-centric. When you describe your product or service, make sure you focus not on how awesome it is, but on how much value it can provide to the user. Make sure you don't go overboard with your promises, as you'll learn the risk of sounding disingenuous. Since we assume your audience already knows about you, you don't have to bore them with this information all over again. Be brief and to the point in your script and try to keep the video at a maximum of 60 seconds. The call to action needs to lead your audience to the next step where you will close the sale. Most people want to have a sample of the product or service before they buy, so brands use this opportunity to offer free consultations and demos. Bottom of the funnel, conversion. Obviously, a video cannot close a sale on its own, but it can serve as the final push for the customer towards the sale. And if you've put the necessary work in the above two steps, then that should be a breeze. The video script for this stage needs to convince your viewers that your business is worth the purchase and they will not be disappointed if they become your clients. In such cases, it's a good idea to focus not only on the benefits that you can bring to the table, but also on the results you've delivered to others. So in your script, you can use case studies, customer testimonials, or other proof that you can fulfill your promises. Another direction you can take for a conversion video is to show a demo of how your product works, so your audience can feel confident in their purchase. Or maybe announce a promo or a holiday discount. In these cases, the script should be highly focused and on point, removing any possible distractions from the main goal, to close the sale. You don't need to bore your viewers with long videos and repeat information they already have. Keep it short and sweet. You can create a special landing page to close the sale and direct your viewers to it. Or you can push your clients towards speaking to a salesperson. Just make sure the call to action is clear and the purchasing process is as easy as possible. In the words of businessman Harvey Mackey, you risk losing your customer when you save all the good stuff for the end. So make sure your video script keeps viewers engaged at each step of the marketing funnel and helps them make the purchasing decision on their own. In order to influence your viewers, you have to get to know them first. We wrote an ebook on how you can turn your leads into customers by getting familiar with your potential buyers. You can download it for free in the description below. I hope this video has been useful. If you want more guides on script writing for your videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.